3 people died in what KCFD calls a suspected case of carbon monoxide poisoning. It happened just before 7 this morning near East 10th and Fuller Avenue. Crews found 3 men between 20 and 40 years old dead in a house. Another was taken to the hospital in critical condition. Now, KCFD believes an indoor generator caused the poisoning. And unfortunately, this is not the first time we reported on an incident like this. Just last month, 2 adults and a 14-year-old died from carbon monoxide poisoning in another Kansas City home. That call was made in the morning near 68th and East 12th Terrace. It's a few blocks away from where today's carbon monoxide poisoning happened. Now, in that incident, KCFD also found a generator running inside the home. Now, experts say to never run any gas-powered equipment inside a house or any confined space. So make sure your batteries work in your carbon monoxide detector. Know that CO leaks can come from furnaces, stoves, fireplaces, and heaters. Signs to watch for include headaches, dizziness, nausea, and vomiting. And if you feel those symptoms, go outside and call 911.